Okay, let's dive into a global health crisis that affects nearly 1 in 5 people on Earth.
Yep, 1.7 billion people. This is a crisis that's really fueled by poverty and our changing climate.
So that brings up a big question. What exactly are tropical diseases? Well, they're infections that just thrive in hot, humid climates, especially where healthcare is scarce. To really get it, let's zoom in on two of the big ones, malaria and dengue. Just think about that. That's how many deaths malaria caused in a single year, according to the WHO.
And here's the heartbreaking part. The most vulnerable are kids under 5 years old.
And you can see just how concentrated this is. A massive 94% of cases are in Africa.
Now let's switch gears to dengue. Its growth has been absolutely explosive over the last half-century.
That's how many people, almost half the planet, are now at risk of getting dengue fever.
To see this fight up close, let's look at India. It's a real story of highs and lows. And wow, this really puts the scale of the challenge for India into perspective, right? So you've got this amazing success with Kala Azar, but then this rising threat from dengue in cities.
So the big question is, how do we actually fight back? Let's get into the strategies.
One of the main ways is vector control, basically going after the insects that spread the disease.
Another really powerful tool is mass drug administration. It's all about stopping the cycle of transmission.
Take the SAFE strategy for trachoma, for example. It's this super comprehensive 4-part approach.
And the thing is, these strategies work. The fight against guinea worm disease proves eradication is possible.
But, and there's always a but, all this incredible progress is now facing some major threats.
For one, these bugs and germs are getting smarter, building up resistance to our best tools.
And of course, the pandemic really threw a wrench in things, disrupting about a quarter of malaria efforts.
Which brings us to maybe the biggest challenge of all. What happens when the tropics themselves expand?
Right. Climate change is basically a threat multiplier. It's redrawing the entire map for these diseases.
So you see, fighting these diseases isn't just about medicine. It's really a fight for global health equity.